Imagine knowing how to grow your money, how to invest it wisely, and how to set yourself up for success now and in the future. This is what Base Case and Build is all about. This isn't just any program. This is where you start to learn how to play chess with life instead of checkers. What do I mean by that? Well, checkers is a fun game, but chess is all about strategy. It's about thinking ahead, planning your moves, and outsmarting your opponent. That's what we're going to teach you here. How to see around the corner and make smart moves with your money and your life. Here's what you're going to learn. Financial literacy. We'll help you understand money, how it works, how to save it, and most importantly, how to make it work for you. Money management. Ever wondered where your money goes? We'll show you how to keep track of it, how to budget, and how to make sure you always have enough for the things that matter the most. Smart investment decisions. We'll teach you how to create your very own investment portfolio. Imagine being able to grow your money by making smart choices. It's like planting a tree today and watching it grow taller and stronger over time. Cash flow engineering. Do you want to know how to keep your money flowing in even when you're sleeping? That's what cash flow engineering is all about, and we're going to break it down so it's easy for you to understand and apply. But that's not all. We're going to dive deep into something that's equally and just as important, emotional intelligence. This is where you get to understand your emotions, making good decisions, and knowing how to deal with challenges. It's like having a superpower that helps you navigate through life no matter what comes your way. By the time you're done with Base Case and Build, you'll not only be smarter with your money, but you'll also be ready to face the world with confidence, clarity, and a strategy for success. You'll learn how to think ahead, make the right moves, and win in the game of life. Our goal is to make sure that you're not just following the crowd, but leading the way.